Today I will take you to take a look at the production and manufacturing process of the electronic compass. After detailed product research, we entered the R&D stage, starting with simulation experiments and software development to ensure product stability and efficiency. Next, our circuit board design and hardware solution creation are key links in our process. We will conduct a detailed analysis of each function to ensure the best effect. In the production process, we use advanced equipment including board feeders, printing machines, transplanters, high-speed placement machines, multifunctional general-purpose machines, double-track reflow furnaces, etc., to ensure that each link is precise and in place to ensure the high quality of the products.
After production is completed, we will conduct precision calibration, use a non-magnetic turntable for calibration testing, and display data changes in real time to ensure that each electronic compass has been strictly tested and its performance is correct.
The C90C electronic compass can be used in astronomical telescopes. The following is an application example. Choose Micromagic Ink and you will get a product with high cost performance. The following is our website, mimsmag.com.